Good morning, friends. I'm in the Arfak Mountains of West Papua, Indonesia, and we're trekking up to a place called German Camp. Why? Because this is one of the best places to witness one of nature's rarest spectacles, the courtship dance of the Black Sicklebill, a bird of paradise so elusive it feels like a secret hidden in these forests. The trail is steep, slippery, and at times feels like climbing up a staircase built by giants. I started down at around 4,500 feet, and now we're heading up towards 7,000 feet. It's about a 2-hour hike. You can hear the forest all around, rustling leaves, insect buzz, and every now and then the calls of birds. It's as if the jungle itself is alive and watching. And here we are, German Camp. Don't let the name fool you. It's not European chalets, just a cluster of huts used by birders and researchers. The air is cooler here, and there's this constant cloud drift that makes the place feel dreamlike. Tonight, I'll stay here, because the Black Sicklebill only performs his dance early in the morning. It's 5 a.m. The forest is still half asleep, and so am I. But this is the magic hour. We've trekked another 20 minutes from camp to reach the display site, or lek, where the male sicklebill performs his courtship dance. Right up there, that's him, the male Black Sicklebill. Now watch closely. He's transforming. His wings spread, his long tail sweeps down, and his back feathers rise like a cape. And then it begins. He calls, a strange, echoing whistle that carries through the forest. This is theater, dance, and music all in one. He's trying to impress any female watching from the shadows. Every move is precise. The stretch, the bounce, the slow turn. And the sound. It's unlike anything else in the bird world. You can almost feel the forest pause to listen. To witness this, after hours of climbing mud, sweating, slipping, and gasping for air, is worth every step. This is why we come to places like the Arfak Mountains. Not just to tick birds off a list, but to experience the living theater of nature. And that's the story of my trek to German camp, and the privilege of seeing one of Earth's most extraordinary performances. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And maybe one day, you'll make your way up these same muddy trails to hear the Black Sicklebill sing to the morning mist. Until then, keep exploring, keep wondering,